But now you my brand, or you. I want to be worried. Can't you some money? I'm
hello, Daddy. As you can see, this is the Naples. This is room 21. Yeah. When SK doing the plastering, we'll push it behind and then the wall will plaster it. So the entire prep will go inside and then the plaster will take it around it. So only the neighbor will be showing us out for the pics. So this is room 20. La raison vivant. You can serve me a little bit. Yeah. So they will go on a gun. They won't go on a gun. When they cast it, they know cut the pipe from here. So the entire pipe they hear more. The sun will be here for the water to flow on. So all here the neighbors are entering all the rooms from room 21, 20, 21, we have 21, 20, we don't have anything there. So from 21 coming all the way, from 21 going all the way. You see everything online. What are they picking up here? Oh, wait, you've been making it float. Sorry. See here. Some up and some down. So everything have nipples. Everything have nipples going down. So tomorrow, the Papa said we'll be finishing tomorrow. We'll be finishing the entire plumbing work tomorrow. Yeah. You see, the pipe is down. This is the nipples for each. Yeah. All the feeders having the nipples. The feeder having the pump. The one sucker over a year. All the feeder have it. See here. This is the drinker. Yeah, already having nipples. This is the feeder. the floor. All of the ones you push inside. All the one when it's getting ready to plaster, you push it inside, it will hitch and then you plaster it. They won't go down. Going down. Yeah, as you can see, in the one of the long room, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 nipples in the room. Yeah, a casting are going on, but we find it difficult with this storm. So escape was they were cutting it and then they said tomorrow they will jump on it again. So the storm go far the casting of the area. So the casting stop here and then it stop over there, only the center. This is the paving area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pump for our paving. And you see the floor. Actually, so yeah. So see, all the one we use in the wall. See, yeah, that's the way it will be. And then let's go to the plastering around it. See, so we pause it here and continue. This is another room. The room has contain 4 nipples. This is another one. 2, 4, 6 nipples in the room. The one is the room not cash yet. Yeah, so the plumbing work stop here for today. Tomorrow in the morning we'll continue from inside here. Then we'll come here. They will come to the other room as well. So this is how far the cashing stop. So for the casting, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms, 4, 5, 5 and 6 rooms. balance to complete the casting. 6 room. So if we buy the sand tomorrow by the grace of God, and then they start the casting, then tomorrow Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like Friday they will finish. The Friday will finish. So the digging of the drainage around the pig pen, SK boss said we should give it to them. And we are still talking, so we are digging it down. SK said we should go 2 feet down because the drainage have to be dig. And then after digging it, he run a block and then he cash inside. So any water flow, it will just drop and roll straight down. So it should go down 2 feet. So it should go down 2 feet. So all the pipes that are laying on the ground, when we dig 2 feet down, all the pipe will be hanging up. So every water that flow, it will just drop it down and then roll side and go straight down. So I don't know if how we directing it, while I was directing it straight in a swamp. So the digging will be like from in a swamp, coming all the way up here, going on the side. So the digging will come from up there, 2 feet down, pass go all the way behind. So tomorrow when it's done with inside the remaining area, then it will come behind here now. You will come behind here to continue the prep. As you can see here. Okay, so if it's done with inside tomorrow, you will come to continue behind here to join all the water line. So if you want to open this side, you want to open the jungle, come here. Here is closed. Here you open, then the entire water line will open. So this is it for the pig there.